My government's Vision 2030 aims to transform our country, Kenya, into a newly industrialized middle-income country, providing a high quality of life to all her citizens by 2030. We believe that improving the health and welfare of citizens in their lives guarantees our economic growth and competitiveness by ensuring healthy, productive populations. The attainment of universal health coverage by 2022 is one of 4 big agenda of my administration. Focus is on ensuring access to affordable, quality health services as a basic for ending extreme poverty, improving productivity, especially in low-income and middle-income areas. In December of 2018, I commissioned a pilot of the universal healthcare implementation, targeting a population of 3.2 million to inform its national scaling. In its 9th month now, the pilot focused on investment in strengthening primary healthcare, and it has been instructive in identifying best practices, lessons, and gaps in implementation. Health-seeking behavior has improved. There was a demonstrable increase in health facility visits as well as admissions. This, therefore, has reaffirmed my government's commitment to soldier on and make further investments in affordable health care. It continues to be a work in progress, and we are inching closer to the Leave No One Behind, with a special focus on the most vulnerable in our society.